What is up, guys? Welcome back to TK's Garage, and the ass got sued. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I got an update video for you guys on the entire situation with the Green Monstah. I guess I got to do this so y'all can see me appropriately in the light. You guys know that I went ahead and retained counsel over that situation, being that my car was driven excessively, dangerously. And now you'll even see, if you're looking in the comments of my videos, people from Oklahoma have different dates. They've sent me dash cam footage. We have toll receipts. We have all this stuff where this shop in Norman, Oklahoma was driving my car and evidently caused more damage to the car than what it was before it left. Now my car sits at COPART with a certificate of destruction because of these geniuses. So, I didn't know what was going to happen, but the first things first, my attorney has sent a demand letter, basically, telling Collision Works, because you have my client sitting out there in the Midwest for several months, we feel that you should cover some of these expenses. And just so you guys know, and I've talked about this multiple times, I spent over $10,000 just being there waiting for this car. Now, do I expect to get all of that back? No. But my counsel says that two things will happen. Collision Works, or i.e. Gerber, Gerber will be like, we just want this to go away. And they'll cut me a check for, who knows what the amount is, just to be like, let's just call it even at this amount. They send me a check and I go away. Or they say, F you, we're not paying you shit. And which I'm perfectly okay with, and my attorney is as well. And at that point, my attorney takes them into court, and then we start showing the toll receipts, and we start showing the telematics from the car. We start showing, the condition of the car before it went in for minor repairs, and that they destroyed the car. And then other stuff like the dash cam footage from the old lady who was run off the road. A couple of other different people. I think it's like Cigars. There's a couple of different guys in the comments that live in Oklahoma. One was down in Paul's Valley, which is farther south. And it's probably one of the times that they took my car down to Dallas. Who knows? But yeah, it's been a mess, man. It's been an absolute mess. And you guys have seen the Green Monstah. I actually saw it today when I went out there to take care of some other business I had at COPART. And why don't we include the cold start of the old girl right here.
I had to make sure it was
running.
Yeah.
Unfortunately for these, the batteries they just die from sitting. Oh.
Bring back old memories right there.
Yes, sir. Oh. Well, there y'all go on that. Y'all got to hear it run. And if y'all want to buy it, it's going to have a certificate of destruction, so you can't do shit with it. So have that.
Do what you want.
Yeah, y'all can do whatever y'all want with it now. I don't care. It ain't never going to be back on the road. So y'all do whatever y'all want with it. Man. So obviously you can see she still runs, right? The sad part is she'll never be registered on a United States road again. And that's, kind of sad. I know a lot of you guys want me to buy the car back. And again, I'm willing to do it just to make it a track car. If, and this is a big if, it has to go for the right amount of money, man. If this car is approaching ScatPack retail prices or like 30 grand, it doesn't make any sense. Like the content I get out of the car doesn't pay for the car. And I could buy one with a clean title that I could take to the track for less. And I know it's not the same car and it wouldn't be the same, but that's just what it is. So I wanted to give you guys the update on it because my attorney hit me up today and said that he got the confirmation that the letter he sent, which he sent certified mail, was received. And that's basically a demand letter. And then they'll consult with their attorney, or probably with Gerber, who's the company, or who, I guess it's Gerber that will end up getting the letter. And then they'll decide whether they want to pay it or whether they don't. And then from that point, it moves pretty quickly. It's going to move fairly rapidly because of the amount of my expenses. Now, if I wanted to be an asshole and say like, hey, you damaged my brand and all this other crap by hot rodding my car around, I could do that too. And then we could be looking at, 50 grand or more, right? But as you guys know, I'm super petty, but I also am kind of like, yeah, we'll see. So, anywho's, I don't know what the exact amount was that my attorney sent them for the demand letter. I know it was more than what I wanted, but we'll see what comes back, man. And if not, we're going to take them into court and we're going to hit them for the max on my expenses. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But there you guys have it. You guys have been asking me for an update on the situation with that and if we were actually suing them. And yes, I have a demand letter in. The attorney already has a lawsuit drafted in the event that they don't honor the demand letter or respond to it. And one way or the other, I'm coming for that ass. One way or the other, I'm getting some of my money back that I had to spend out there. And I'm a little pissed off, man. I had to give my car up because these jackasses in Norman, Oklahoma fucked up my car. And I'm sorry for the language, but it's absolutely ridiculous and stupid. And there's under no circumstances do these son of a bitches get a pass. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.